In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neon text effect in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so your text looks like it's glowing right off the screen. Start with your design open in Canva. The first thing we want to do is set the stage for that glow to really pop. Click anywhere on the canvas background to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the background color option appear in the toolbar. Go ahead and click the color tile and change the background to solid black. A deep black background creates maximum contrast, which is what makes the neon effect look realistic and vibrant. Next, click on your text to select it. You should see the text editing toolbar appear across the top. We're going straight to the fun part now. Click Effects. This opens Canva's Effects panel on the left, or as a sidebar, depending on your screen size. In that panel, choose the neon option. The moment you apply it, you'll see a soft glow around your letters, simulating that classic neon tube look. Now let's fine-tune the vibe with color. Click the color control for the text while the neon effect is active. This color doesn't just change the letters, it also sets the hue for the glow around them. Pick a bright, saturated color like electric blue, hot pink, lime, or violet. These tones tend to deliver the strongest neon feel, especially against black. If your glow looks too subtle, try a slightly lighter or more saturated shade of the same color. If it's overwhelming, move a notch darker so the edges feel smoother. Take a moment to preview how your design looks at both full size and a fit-to-screen view. On a dark background, thin fonts can look sleek and modern, while bolder fonts give you that punchy, sign-like presence. If your text isn't standing out enough, switching to a slightly bolder font weight can help without changing anything else. When you're happy with the color and the glow, that's it. You've created a clean neon text effect in Canva. You can reuse this approach on headlines, callouts, or logos to add instant energy to thumbnails, social posts, and presentations. And remember, the key ingredients are a true black background, the neon effect, and a bright, consistent color choice. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, apply the same steps to another text layer in your project and build a cohesive neon palette across your design.